It's really helped streamline a lot of the work that we're doing, the planning, also the advice. Like previously we'd only be talking to our R&D consultant at the end of the year, and we sort of come back on, this is what we've done, and then they have some suggestions and go, hey, but what about this and this? And you go, actually, well, that's really cool, but I guess we can look at that last year. Whereas now that we're in a bit more of a regular monthly sort of communication, there's a few things there that definitely benefit us along the journey. But for us, it's just so much easier that there's a tool there where it makes it really quick and simple as we're working to just document what we're doing, what are the challenges, how do we overcome them, if there was a roadblock, how do we get past it. It's a lot easier to do it as you're doing it rather than coming back a year later to work it out. But trying to just note it down like a notepad as you go is quite difficult, whereas this software makes it really quick and easy. It's just simple to log in every week, throw down what we've been doing, and sort of forget about it until the end of the year when it compiles it together. Just the confidence, really. We know that we're not going to have any compliance issues in the future. I've heard of other cases where people have come back and been questioned or audited further down the track, and at least this gives us the confidence to know that if we ever do get audited, or if a situation like that does arise, we've got all our documentation the whole way along. We've basically documented every step, everything along the way is processed, and when there was no guesswork involved. Like I guess you get to the end of the year and you're sort of trying to remember then, oh, was it this or was it that, or how much did we spend there? It's all recorded, so we don't have any of those questions. We can be confident in what we're doing, and when the event does arise. If I wasn't on Synnch and I got asked about if I got an audit from say 3 or 4 years ago, I'd have to stop and think for a bit, because it'd be a bit of a worry. There'd be a lot of things where it'd be a challenge to remember, you know, what we were doing at what particular time, and to answer any of the detailed questions. I'm sure, you know, we'd be able to do it, but it'd be a challenge. It'd be a challenge. Hi, I'm Clint from In the Code. We use the Synnch platform because we love how much time it saves us throughout the year, and come to the end of the year when we go to do our application, it makes the process quick and easy, where the important part's getting our refund quicker.